Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to create an admin user account via CMD in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Type NetSpace User. Displays all user accounts, including administrator's account. I want to create a new user account, name is new admin. Type net, space, user, space, new admin, space, /add. User account is created successfully. Type net, space local group, space administrators. Space new admin, space, /add. New admin user is added to administrators group. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.